Hi loves, good morning my loves. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thulisile Kolweni. If you are new here, welcome and please do not leave us a subscribing, commenting and liking this video. And if you are my day one, welcome back my loves. Thank you so much for all the love and the support you guys have been showing me. It really means a lot. So in today's video I am actually it's Sunday the morning. I feel like I need to wash my hair and take a shower. I want to go to church, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wash and then go to church, and then I want to fix my nails too, but we'll see. So I'm just now cooking a stew like oats, and then yeah, I just wanted to start this vlog. It's like spend the day with me on a Sunday. That's literally what I'm gonna be doing. Spend the day with me Sunday. So yeah, these are my nails, and then this side is horrible. That's why I wanna change them. I had to cut them because they broke a Eastern Cape. So yeah, let's do that.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Use this perfume. I'm ready to go. Alright, I am ready now. I have my phone, and then I have my charger, I have the car keys. So I'm gonna leave. Husband is sleeping because he had a night of his own last night. So I'm gonna leave him at home, and then I'm gonna go to church for both of us. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you don't, I won't forget you.
Okay, so I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna take this off the tripod. Oops. Oh, I'm using the Elizabeth Orden. Don't know why this thing is not focused. There you go. That's what I'm using. And then, oh, I'm late. That's the time there. So it's like 9:41, and I wanted to get there before 1:30. But let's go. Let's go, baby. Baby, let's go, go. I just noticed that immortality. That's what I just noticed now. But I think I'll make it back home. Should have actually asked my husband to actually give me his card. So I should have done, so that I didn't charge. I mean, fill it up, because I think that's what he was gonna do. But yeah, we're gonna listen to some music. There's no way we're gonna go to church. We need to like with spirits, okay? So yeah, so but we're going to church. I need itulo ecaweni. So that's what I'm gonna get the first thing I do when I get to church is get itulo, because andinaculo. I wanna listen to Elevation. There was that song. It's called it's not Promises. It's not Western. It's not Jeremiah. It is. I forgot it now. Let me go to Instagram, because I used it on my reel. It's gone already. Okay. Taking so long. Okay. I'm on Instagram. That's Heather. Oh, she's stunning. That's Sandile. She looks gorgeous. Go back to YouTube and Church is over. Time now is 6 minutes past 2. That's the time, and I'm going home. Thought I was gonna do my nails, but the lady that does my nails is not opening today, or she rather did not open today. So I'm just gonna go home, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Just charge this phone because I'm gonna be playing it. I am so thirsty, and there's tonic water here. No, don't do that. I'm really thirsty, but you know, Bert, it's okay. I'm going home anyways. So the person that parked next to me is savage. Like, I have literally no space. I had to squeeze myself. But yeah, we are inside. Siphakathi. I am gonna now connect and then we leave. Tired is me. I am the tired girl in Zanzibar. Anywho. Okay, let's go.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. So this is the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching until this far. I'll definitely see you in my next vlog. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment this video, and also share it with your friends and your family. I would really appreciate that. So yeah, that's a day with me. Spend the Sunday with me, and I will see you in my next vlog.
Even if you're gone, I won't forget.